morning. I am Meritor Tatiana G. Gianan, your studio reporter, here to give you today's weather report about Typhoon Christine. To give you some information, we have a guest today, Mr. Zian Wesley De Leon, from Pag-asa Weather Center.
Good morning, I am Zian Wesley M. De Leon, live from Pag-asa Weather Center. The Typhoon Christine has a wind speed of 220 kilometers per hour. The direction of the typhoon is from southeast, heading northwest of South Luzon. So expect rain and thunderstorm to the said area. I am Zian Wesley De Leon, live from Pag-asa Weather Center.
Thank you, Mr. Zian, for the information about Typhoon Christine from Pag-asa Center. Mr. Candelaria, how's the situation in Santa Rosa?
Tatiana, the Typhoon Christine is striking now the southern Luzon. All the areas are heavily flooded and not passable as of the moment. There are 50 families rescued and 100 families are already at the evacuation center. A while ago, I interviewed 2 victims of the typhoon.
Here in Batangas, our house has collapsed and now we're in the evacuation center with my family. I feel worried for my family.
I have a baby. Our house has been destroyed because of the typhoon. We don't have food to eat. Please help us.
Keep safe, everyone. Reporting from Santa Rosa City, this is Aidan Candelaria, your field reporter. Back to you, Tatiana.
Thank you, Mr. Candelaria, for your precise report. We'll keep you updated. Stay safe and dry. I am Meritor Tatiana G. Gianan, your studio reporter.
I am Zian Wesley De Leon from Pag-asa Center.
I am Aidan Gadgel, your field reporter.
And this is CSBS News.